Well, make sure you take part in that campaign. Now, is there a thing as safe travel for women? Well, our reporter Zoya Thomas found one company that goes all out to make that daily travel safe and comfortable. Take a look.
Devi Priya, an IT employee working with CSS Corp, used to live in constant fear for several years until now. Travelling by company cabs, sometimes with cab drivers whom she did not know, was an ordeal in itself. To add to that, crime against women in India has been on the rise. Take for instance the rape and murder of Pratibha, a BPO employee in Bangalore in December 2005, an incident that shocked the nation. But luckily for Devi Priya, her company came out with what seems to be a Women's Day gift to women who often work the graveyard shift. A GPS installed in cabs that are used to pick up and drop women in the IT sector, and that which will allow employers to monitor the movement of vehicles in real time. Clearly, companies don't want to take a chance.
Actually, my parents were really worried. Working in an IT industry, we work late night shifts. But as CSS Corp has introduced this card system, which is very useful for all the women here, because you just need to swipe in when you enter into the cabs and when you leave out, onboarding and offboarding. So if we are being monitored, where are we going and what is happening? So way back home, everybody is relaxed. They know that my daughter is going to come back home safe and she's going to be in the office safe.
Okay, see, we've been working on this sets model for quite some time, and then parallelly we've been hearing a lot about this incidents to be in Bangalore or be it Gurgaon. So Chennai, though it's still a safe city, I thought it's very important for us to have that comfort factor given to the female employees. So that is one trigger which started the whole thing, and we've been developing on this model.
But what makes this system unique is that parents or guardians too can opt for the software, which will help them monitor the stop points during the transit from office to home and vice versa. Simply swipe the card on the device, which is permanently fixed in the cab. The boarding status is instantly captured and monitored in the master control room at the office. Plus, prior to their pickup, employees are alerted of the cab's distance through an automated SMS.
RFID system, SMS solution and application. That's how our system works. And if you see the monitor, just we can identify Sweta has been boarded in this particular trip. And next, the cab is moving to Anita's place, and the second SMS automatically triggered with respect to cab movement and their geocoded location.
Unlike Delhi, where a rape happens every 29 minutes, Chennai is much safer for the 60,000 women in the ITS and another 35,000 in the IT sector. But with a system like this, employees couldn't be happier. As they say, the trip back home is always a safe and sound one. And the GPS seems to be fail-safe. In Chennai, Zoya Thomas for NDTV Hindu.